Hey, everybody. It's me, Quishar, with Quishar Detroit Publishing. I hope you are doing well. Happy Saturday. Hey, Kaiser. How are you doing? Today is day 20 of the 30-day challenge. Hey, Successful Empowerment with Valila. How are you doing today? So, today is day 20 of my 30-day live challenge. And yesterday, we talked about just, things that you should look for in planning your future as an author. Hey, Valila, I hope you're doing well. So today is Saturday, so Self-Care Saturday. I want to come on and talk about self-care for authorpreneurs. You hear everybody talk about self-care, but what are some things that you can do as an author to practice self-care? And so I started to think about some things that you can do. And one thing, I have my notes over here. So you need to dedicate some me time, right? Some time to just kind of unwind and, maybe turn off your notifications on your cell phone. You can maybe put the do not disturb setting on your phone, or even put a do not disturb setting on your door when you're working on a project. Okay, so that you can just have some dedicated time to write. So that's one good thing. Sometimes, we get overwhelmed and have so many things to do. You need to set up some time for you, maybe 30 minutes to an hour on a specific date. Put it on your phone calendar so you can remind yourself that you have time. You have an appointment with yourself, an appointment with destiny, with your dream, with your vision, so that you can start working on the things that you want to work on. The second thing is to, are you overwhelmed with all the duties? Hey, Dr. Leroy, are you overwhelmed with all the duties that you have to do as an author? If you're overwhelmed, sit down, take some time, and write down all the things that you need to accomplish. Okay, I have a board on the back of my door, and I call it Shar's Literary Success Board. On that board, I list all the things I need to do for that month in reference to my book business. So I put a list of all those things, and when I accomplish those things, I mark them off. It's something about marking off the things that you have to do. When you mark it off, it gives you a sense of accomplishment, right? So get a list. It's like a I can't think of the name of the board though, but you can write on the board and erase it when you need to update it. I got it from Amazon, and I put it on the back of my door, and so I update my list. And then the thing about it is, if you're going to spend today to update your list, write everything out, you don't have to start accomplishing the things tonight. Start accomplishing the things on tomorrow. So write your list out so that you'll know the things that you need to accomplish, because when you see the things that are in front of you, you can plan effectively. Yeah, dry erase board. Yeah, that's what it is. Sometimes at night I'm not at the top of my I'm at the top of my game at night, and sometimes I have to go at night because there's a lot of stuff going on. Hey, blessed to I'm sorry, blessed. I don't know what your name says. Blessed. Do the tie. I'm not sure if I got that right. Hey, Quest for Life. Thanks so much for joining. We're talking about self-care for authorpreneurs. And so, as an authorpreneur, you need to have some time to, work on you and your business, and then some time to relax. Today, I had a good relaxing time. I went to Nordstrom Spa, and for a long overdue time to relax. Every time I go to Nordstrom Spa, I get to relax. It's quiet. You get a private room. Today I got a gel pedicure, and it was so relaxing. Just that 1 hour of service, just to relax and just to have some me time, right? Because sometimes we get so overwhelmed with our day-to-day that we do not take time for ourselves, just to kind of unwind and relax. So make sure you put that time in there as well. So we talked about self-care for authors. The first time is dedicate me time for writing. And when you do that, you need to Maybe take off your notifications on your phone, put a sign up, do not disturb, take off your settings for your different apps. Because sometimes you may start working on a project and all of a sudden all these apps start going off. Facebook notification, Instagram notification, Pinterest notification. So turn off your notifications for a specific time so that you can work on your business, especially if you're working a 9 to 5, because you need to have specific time for just you only. Okay. And then the second thing that I said was, if you're overwhelmed, get a dry erase board and start listing all the things that you need to accomplish. And you don't have to start the list right away. Start it tomorrow. So write your list, organize, prioritize what needs to be done first, and then start doing the things. Start marking it off on your list. The next thing is create your favorite writing inspiration quote or something like that. Maybe it can come from you or one from your favorite author. Take that quote and get it in fancy writing and frame it and put it on your wall. You can use mixed tiles. That's what I have behind me, mixed tiles. I have some of the books that I published, some of my media features, a couple of my books, and some of my quotes as well, quotes from my book. I put it on the back. I got it fixed, with mixed tiles or whatever. That gives you inspiration when you look at things that you've accomplished in the past. It gives you inspiration and hope for your future when it comes to accomplishing your goals. The fifth thing, create a writing playlist. What are your favorite musicians or artists that you like to listen to when you're writing, when you get inspired? Who do you like to listen to? I like it very mellow. I like Kim. I like, something that's very mellow. Layla Hathaway, because it gets me in an inspiring mood. So create a playlist of your favorite artists that you like to listen to when you write. Another thing is do you like journals? Do you like fancy ink pens? Whatever you like, make your mood, light by getting the things that you like so that you can enjoy your writing. So like if you have, I love to go to TJ Maxx and Burlington and Marshalls, and I always go looking for the different writing tablets and notebooks and things like that. I think I have one. Well, I don't have it close to me, but I always go looking for those, because when I sit down and I start writing with these beautiful tablets and ink pens, it gives me inspiration. I'm like, oh, I'm in my zone of genius, right? Another thing is, let's see. Get a playlist, favorite writing accessories, get a book bestie. I have a book bestie. I met my book bestie